Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that sparks much debate: mobile phone use in schools. Should pupils be allowed to use their phones during the school day, or is it better to limit access? Last week's poll indicated that over 50% of you agreed that phones are not good in school, and 45% said maybe, with the remaining saying they agree to phones in school. I'll explain a little more about the benefits of the phone being kept away during the school day. First, let's be real, phones are part of everyday life. They help us to stay connected, informed, and even entertained. But in school, phones can cause more harm than good, and here's why. Mobile phones are a huge distraction, from social media notifications to endless scrolling on TikTok or Instagram. It's easy for pupils to lose focus. When attention drifts away from learning, grades, memory, and comprehension all take a hit. There's also the social side. Constant access to phone can fuel anxiety, especially when pupils feel pressure to keep up with messages, likes, or group chats. And let's not forget cyberbullying. Having phones at all times can make it harder to escape online drama, even during class. Less screen time means more brain time. And it's not just about academics. Reducing mobile use can improve well-being. Kids report feeling less stressed, less overwhelmed, and more connected to people around them, and that's being face-to-face. That is a massive win for mental health. Healthy screen time habits are key. Learning when and how to disconnect teaches balance. It gives pupils the space to focus, to think deeply, and to build better real-world relationships. In the long run, building these habits means stronger learning outcomes, healthier minds, and more meaningful school experiences. So now, should schools limit mobile use during the day? I'd say yes. Not because tech is bad, but because using it wisely helps pupils thrive. So, those are the reasons why we don't have mobile phone use in our school. So, to this week's question, should AI-generated work be clearly labelled, or is it okay to be mixed with human work? I look forward to your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and be critical thinkers. So until next week, bye-bye.